So begin by doing some prana breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel that conscious breath moving into your body, activating the sparkling consciousness, running up and down your spine. And as you move that breath up and down your spine, send a grounding cord down into the ground. And a cord from the top of your head, send that up through the sun, into the stars, and from both directions, draw the earth energy up and the stellar energy down, feeling yourself a bridge between earth and heaven and earth, allowing the earth energies and the star and sun energies to dance within your body. And tonight we are going on a journey to a crystal cave where we will get some DNA and energetic upgrades to our system and focus our energies on the third eye, and visualizing the changes that we need to make within our own lives and in the collective. So make yourself ready to go to the crystal cave. And so you begin to walk many miles into your inner landscape. And you set your inner beacon toward the crystal cave you know is out there in your inner landscape. So you walk many, many miles, feeling the pulsing of the crystals there in the distance in nature. And you walk deep, deep into the heart of an ancient, ancient forest. And there you are getting closer now to the crystal cave. And you can feel the cave presence as you get closer and closer. It is a vast cavern filled with beautiful, pulsating, living crystals. And there is the entrance to the cave. And you know you are welcome in this place. So you enter, and there is light coming in from the outside into a very large cavern filled with the most beautiful, exquisite crystals, glowing and pulsating with life. When you walk a ways in, you can still see a bit of light. And there you can see a comfortable place for you to sit and relax and meditate. And so you sit near the crystals. They are everywhere. You can see they're on the ground, in the walls, in the ceiling, all around the cave. Colorful, some clear. They seem to be lit with an inner glow. And so you sit and you quiet your body and mind and begin to do some deep prana breathing. These crystals are alive with memory. Memory from long, long ago, from Atlantis and far before Atlantis, holding the memory of a fully awakened Gaia and a fully awakened humanity living on planet Earth with Gaia. And so you sit and breathe deeply, soaking up the pulsing crystalline energy. you begin focusing on the base of your spine. Drawing up this crystalline energy at the base of your spine. Feeling the deep memory of humans living on planet Gaia in love and fellowship and support. So you begin to awaken that memory of fully awakened humanity. And in your base chakra, you feel completely safe in this space. And you breathe in safety, belonging. And then you draw up this energy into your pelvic area, your second chakra. And you invite the crystalline energy into your pelvic area. Remembering fully awakened second chakra for humanity, where we are connected to our creativity and the generation and regeneration of life. So feel your human creativity. And also fully awakened to your sexual energy, your Kundalini energy, that you can fully control where you want that Kundalini sexual energy to go in your system. It can be used for your own pleasure. It can be used to draw up your chakra system up into your heart, up into your third eye. So many things you can do with your Kundalini energy when fully awakened. And so the crystals that remember full awakening, they pulse in the cave, and you draw that energy up into your second chakra. Now you move your awareness up to your third chakra, your solar plexus. You can feel the pulsing of the solar plexus crystals with full memory of humanity in their power. Not power over others, but grounded, balanced, human power. Feel that in your energy system now. Claim that power for yourself and seat it in your solar plexus. Feel the crystalline energy pulsating in your power center. In humanity, our power center, our solar plexus is getting a definite upgrade. So feel the crystalline upgrade. We have many distorted thought forms that we carry in our third chakra. So as you breathe deeply, do some prana breathing, expelling any distorted thought forms out of your third chakra and breathing in new upgraded crystalline energy. Now focus your awareness up your spine to your heart. There are many crystals in this cave that can help you to open your heart chakra wide. So if you're ready, call on those crystalline energies. Breathe into your heart and awaken your heart. Allow the love of humanity, your love for humanity and Gaia to expand and open and awaken in your heart. And if there's a special crystal that you would like to place in your heart, just magically do so now. There's a particular crystal that is perfect for your heart chakra energy. So imagine that you can magically place it in your heart and allow that crystal to pulsate, to light up. We are meant to love. We are meant to love ourselves profoundly and to love others profoundly. So allow your heart to upgrade to deep personal love and deep transpersonal love. Breathe that in. And if there are any crusty parts or crusty bits around your heart or any cage or anything keeping your heart small, just allow that crystal to blast through. Breathe and expand your heart. And feel the love of all of your guides and all those that love you in this life. Feel that love coming right into your heart. And now focus your awareness on your throat chakra. Feel the crystalline energy pulsing, opening your throat chakra. If you have any blocks, allow the crystalline energy to just open your throat. Our throat is such a magnificent tool of consciousness. Through words, through song, through sound, loving words. So open up the vibration of your throat and dedicate and commit your life to speaking love, to speaking truth, to speaking from your heart. There are memories in this cave of chants and mantras and powerful song. So whenever you return to this cave in your own time, you can sing, chant, remember the power of words and voice and song. And now focus your awareness on your third eye, that beautiful jewel of your pineal gland in the middle of your left and right brains. Take some breaths through your third eye. This is your portal to other dimensions. Bringing in information from multi-dimensions into this body, into this 3D reality, and transmitting energy from this reality into multidimensional reality. So feel that portal open and your breath pouring in and out, opening that portal. Imagine there is a perfect crystal in this cave for your third eye. Allow that crystal to find you and magically place it in your third eye. It begins to vibrate. It is now upgrading your system. As you breathe, feeling your third eye vibrating, opening and awakening. And allow this vibration to move through your left and right brains, clearing and cleaning any negative thought forms you are carrying in your mind. So breathe, creating a spacious mind. Clear your mind of thoughts, of cares and worries. And clear your mind of any small identifications that your ego might have about how small you are. And clear those away and open your mind, open your intuition, open your third eye to see your magnificence. Expand your awareness so that you begin to see your spiritual self that is so vast, it stretches across the universe. Your ideas about yourself are expanding and growing and changing. And you remember that you are a vast divine being moving through time and space over many, many lifetimes. And if there is one particular life that is coming to you now, coming through that vibration of the crystal in your third eye, remember that life now. What is the gift you are bringing through from this other life? Breathe. You are remembering many, many lives. You've been a man, a woman, a child, an old person. You've lived near the ocean, in the desert. You have lived many, many incarnations. Feel the wisdom that is coming through this portal now, informing every cell of your present body with wisdom, understanding, and knowledge. And imagine your entire nervous system is upgrading to hold more and more of your vast spiritual self. New neural pathways are being built in your brain, down your spinal column, moving to your legs and your arms and hands. A fresh wind is blowing through your entire body. You are growing bigger and bigger. Now you focus your attention at the crown of your head, your seventh chakra. You are still in the crystal cave, vibrating now with all the crystals. Your DNA is upgrading to hold the bigger you, the vast spiritual divine self. We're connecting with the cosmos now, tuning into the stars, the galaxies, your home planet, your spiritual pod. And you are being given information about this incarnation. What are you here to do and be? What is your purpose? become aware that there are a number of spiritual beings in this cave, surrounding you in a sacred circle. These are your guardians, who love you beyond measure. Have been walking with you every moment of this incarnation. Is there a question you have for one of the guides? If so, ask your question now. The beings now comes and puts their hand on your third eye, activating your third eye even more. Now you are to visualize the full awakening of humanity and the full awakening of Gaia, planet Earth. Let's begin with Gaia. Imagine all the crystals within Gaia awakening fully with all of their memory. Feel the planet waking up fully. Activating the ley lines, activating the dragon lines, activating the crystals, activating the sacred vortex places on planet Earth, activating the stone circles, the trees, the plants, the oceans, the animals, pulsing with life. And as Gaia upgrades and awakens, humans have the possibility to fully awaken. So visualize humans lighting up, awakening around planet Earth, awakening to the operating system of love. Visualize the old thought forms disintegrating, totally disintegrating. And the memory of fully awakened humanity spreading across the globe. We're awakening love and compassion, joy, our telepathic abilities, our abilities to talk to trees and Daevic spirits, fairies and elves, and all the kingdoms of nature. Paradise on planet Earth. Open your own body to full awakening. Feel the support of your guides in spirit as you breathe. Now commit yourself to living with an operating system of love, deep love for yourself, for others, and for the planet. It is time now to leave your beautiful crystal cave. So come back again to your breathing and to your spine, feeling the sparkling consciousness running up and down your spine. feeling fully embodied now as you feel your body and you begin to move and you begin to get up from your crystal cave, walking out, knowing that you can return here anytime to meditate, to pray, and to visualize full awakening. And so you make your way back through this ancient forest and back to where you began this journey. Take another deep breath, anchoring this in the present, here and now. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.